Fighting ke friends song singtini sini current affair part 4 nailane friends song sini part 4 naile friends song 81 isme when Aurangzeb was died Aurangzeb buru thikani singo friends song thikya 24 August 2019 bin opuro 66 bosor bin boyos sini next tongo 82 friends song the latest Henley passport index rank India at the latest Henley passport index ni rank busuk India ni sung ke busuk 86 friends song sinta 83 number who was recently appointed as defense secretary in the Ministry of Defense defense ministry level ni secretary sabongke Ajay Kumar answer Ajay Kumar friends song next 84 which state has ranked 1 bo state in free medicine bithima scheme implementation under the national health mission ni under health free medicine thini scheme ni o bo state rank 1 ne chungke Rajasthan friends song Rajasthan answer 85 number which state no state chungora has recently approved the recruitment of women drivers for government vehicle bo state o burirong driver recruitment khayan bagai government vehicle salman bagai khajaka ne sung approve khajaka ke Kerala friends Kerala o burirong sarkari gari salman bagai approve jaka which Indian technology company has partnered with IISc on robotic and 5G partner unka technology company India ni sabai IIS by robotic and 5G ko bai sabo Wipro sabo right answer Wipro mane bo company Wipro company 87 friends sini which one of the following is correct regarding Surya Shakti Kisan Yojana that was in the news recently sini koyedino tamo Surya Shakti Kisan Yojana hanai jotong mani oboni correct following tamon sing o jaga wrong khainai bono tui abo romni saka answer ke it is a solar power scheme kaisa solar power scheme and it enable farmer krisaron bagai generate electricity through a solar panel madome ni sajago jago right answer operation 88 na different song in May 2019 Suresh Kumar was appointed as the chief technology officer sabo Suresh Kumar appointment ka bo ukni okay omo May ni 2019 ni bo tamo Walmart ni technology ni bo chief officer ka apore 89 number who was appointed as the 24th chief of naval staff mane nau bahini ni chief 24 number unka in May 2019 May ni wo sabo appointment unka ge Karambir Singh naval staff ni chief sabo May maso unka ge Karambir Singh friends 90 number tau nadi when was the first match of ICC Cricket World Cup 2019 played 2019 is a World Cup senga cricket ni opro babu furu first sengkha sungke 30 May 2019 sengo first friends final lengke bufur cenggai 14 Jun pensong 14 Jun abur nanti sini next pensong sini next itu 91 number where did the Prime Minister of Indian Prime Minister dedicate the National Samar Sarak dedicate National War Memorial on February 25 2019 no tama Samar Sarak National Samar Sarak tama National War Memorial National je juddho ni jati juddho smriti no tui nai je Samar Sarak khaijaka bufuro February 25 tarikh bojagao oni singo jagao where did okay sabukalai Prime Minister bojagao New Delhi pensong New Delhi 92 number where was the fourth global digital health tama fourth global digital health partnership summit 2019 held sabo partnership bojagao partnership ni summit mane boroni सम्मेलन jaka 2019 no hangke bojaga na New Delhi pensong New Delhi answer mujunardi where was the two-day national conference duidin nomo national conference on Burman science tama Burman science inaugurate Burman science flogere mane bojaga Chennai state Tamil Nadu pensong Tamil Nadu and Chennai bo state ni ke Tamil Nadu 94 number where was the Zambia business India ni Zambia business forum 2019 held bojaga New Delhi pensong New Delhi answer 95 tabu who has become the fastest fastest Indian bowler to score 50 test wicket 50 wicket muka khalaikiani saung ketabo Jasprit Bumrah pensong Jasprit Bumrah 96 number tabu who is the director of the film PM Narendra Modi je ta film PM Narendra Modi ni film je khaijaga bin ni tui nai abun director sabon sungke Umang Kumar pensong Umang Kumar amon important tongo afore in June 2019 amra ekdom common pensong in June 2019 or June 2019 no PepsiCo India proposed to invest or pensong invest kampalia invest omongka Markin dollar 70 million to build a food manufacturing plant ni bagai bo state invest khakian simontaro bo puro June ni 2019 June no ge state mungo jaga Uttar Pradesh pensong Uttar Pradesh amount no mujunaragri ge 98 tau on the occasion of World Non Tobacco Day tama World Non Tobacco Day ni palalai meni je on 31 May which state banned e-cigarette bo state ban khlairika bonus e-cigarette no bo state ke Rajasthan pensong answer Rajasthan see next number 99 which state has implement Sakala scheme tama Sakala scheme bo state implement khaikya bongno ati khlaikya hinke Karnataka pensong Karnataka 100 number tang na je under Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana tama PM Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana government has set the target providing current प्राय 24 घंटा नो कारेन्ट रनानि बागै नै जे योजना खालायखिया पावर फर ऑल बाय 2019 नि बिसिंग हमनि साजागता राइट आंसर के 2019 नि बिसिंग केनथं अमंगासिनि दिनैनि कारेन्ट एफेयार 81 निसिमिन 100 जरा 20 ता जों हाय नेक्स्ट नायलेवनाय सिनि टारगेट तो 300 तंमोन फ्रेन्डजों जों कंप्लीट खालामनो चेष्टा खालाय दंगो केनो भिडियो नाय साजाके लाइक खादि शेयर खादि फ्रेन्डजों दिन बागै आसुमा हाय हामबाय।